I'm Glenn Bywater, and I'm excited to help you master Algebra 1 and pass the EOC. In 2006, I left a career as an electrical engineer to follow my dream of being a math teacher. I spent 18 years teaching algebra to students just like you, and that's why I'm confident that I can help you. I've seen firsthand the stress and anxiety that the Algebra 1 EOC causes. In my opinion, it is the hardest of all of the EOCs. In fact, I'll go as far as saying that it's too hard and is poorly written. In a typical year, only about 50% of the people that take the EOC actually pass it. So, what's the secret to passing the EOC? The short answer is practice. The absolute best way to prepare for the Algebra 1 EOC is to do practice tests. Have you searched the internet for practice tests? Well, I have, and they're nearly impossible to find. That's why I decided to create MasterAlgebra1.com. At MasterAlgebra1.com, you'll have access to an unlimited number of EOC practice tests, and I've worked hard to make the questions look very similar to what you will see on the actual EOC. But the best part is that every question includes a link to a video tutorial where I will walk you through the problem step by step if you need help. So, you get unlimited practice tests and video instruction for each and every question. I put a lot of thought into how much to charge for access to the practice tests. I really wanted it to be accessible to anyone that needed help because I want students to feel confident and not anxious when they take the EOC. So I decided to charge the same thing that I charge for a 1-hour private tutoring session. But you'll get way more than 1 hour of my time with the unlimited practice tests and video tutorials. It's never too early or too late to get started preparing for the Algebra 1 EOC. So let's get started today, and together we will master the math.